Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with the part 7 video for building unsupervised machine learning, and this is the iris classification project. And in the past part video I show you how can we plot the algorithm with our data to see the relationship, and also we can understand by seeing that plot we can understand the algorithm task. But in today's video what I want to show you is we want to see the performance of our data with the real one, which is we need to use the y value, the real one, with the y hat, which is the algorithm we use. I will explain that deeply, but that's overall what we want to do in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, I'm back, and this is what the past part video we left off. And I think let me just run all again. Let me restart it and run it. In some case, if the code if this file is restarted somehow. Okay, now we want, like I said before, what we want to do is we want to see the real y value with the algorithm that predicted, and how that is good related. And I think we changed the y value in the top with the numbers here, so we can just see that we can do that. So let's first predict for y hat. Let's call it y hat, and let's give it the value of all prediction of the x value. Okay, so we can just say model dot predict, and we can pass here the x value. And if I run this one, nothing's happened, but it just predict for x value, and we store it into y hat variable. So let's compare it, y hat with, let's print it first, what the y hat looks like. As you can see, it's just a number classification for every x value we pass. So this is the algorithm that are predicting right now. And let's also see the real y, and let's change it to numpy, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, to numpy. And this is the real one. If you see it closely, it just go to 1. Every single one will going to be in some one part, and the 2 will going to be also in the middle, and the third will going to be in the last. It doesn't shuffle, and that's the data it looks like. But this is the data it looks like, right? But as you can see, we have 1. By just seeing like this the data, we can predict that the data is not predicting 100%. Maybe you might say the first one is 1, but we have to change this one first. We need to change it to 1, 0 up to 2 instead of 1 up to 3, the y data. And I think that might get some confusing, so let's do that, and I'll also explain that why we do that. Okay, let's change this to, let's add 0 and let's remove 3. And just to be clear, let me restart and run all, so everything will be going to be good. Okay, you see, the first one will be 0, the middle one 1, and the last one 2. We just step downward by 1, and we just get the y value like this. This is the y hat we want to get the value of like this. But by just seeing like this, we can just predict. This is not 100% a prediction value. That's because we can just, this is I mean, compared to the other project, you working with the real world, this is not a big data, so you can just see it and know it. But if you're working with a very big data, you have to score it with some algorithm. And then also one thing about unsupervised machine learning, we know it gets some numbers, but we don't know those numbers are stand for. This for sure we know that this one we already changed it, but this one is not know that numbers change. We just know that this one is the one class. This is one class, is this one class, and this also another class, and this one also another class. That's all we know. This one have some different with this one, and so on. This one 0 is have some difference between the two class. So that's based on that I just classified it. That's all we know, but we don't know why their classes are we might know why those are different, but just we don't know for what reason are they different. So it is very some compared to unsupervised machine learning, it is very difficult to understand this topic, but if you go to the limit, you will going to understand. Okay guys, I'm sorry, but the video is keep going too much, so I'm going to continue. I'm just going to cut the video into half, and I will going to upload the other half one in the upcoming video. So I'm sorry for that, but I will continue that in the next upcoming video, so make sure to see that video, and I hope see you there. Goodbye.